Hey guys, hope you are doing well. The pump is continuing on the crypto market. Bitcoin is consolidating. We see few altcoins doing really well. My name is Mike Dankler from CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial investment advice. Everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Guys, smash those like, push the bell, notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. You are helping out the YouTube algorithm. Let's go and check our favorite bubble chart. You see few altcoins consolidating, especially Hex minus 11%, but Phantom, ANC, CVX, Rune Torchain, Atom, Cadena, Curve, and Zcash doing well. And also Bitcoin is up just 0.7%. It traded around 44,000, holding really strongly, and Ethereum is also about 2,900, getting closer to 3,000, so just side waving. So let's go and check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. It is at 52, so we are in the neutral zone just like yesterday. And guys, remember we spent almost since middle of November in the extreme fear zone, and the index tried to come back to the neutral zone, and now it seems that this trying for the second time can be just successful. And also when the huge fear was out there, always a good buying opportunity because investors are selling cheap, and also we see some long liquidations that were pushing the price down. So now we are getting into the neutral zone. The question is, the greediness will come back. Will we see an asset price increase, or what's next? So let's find out and go check our first news. BTC price now has support above 40,000 as data shows Bitcoin that redistribution event. So we are traded about 40,000. That's nice. What is this? Looks like that a double bottom is in, making a double bottom on the Bitcoin charts. Daily chart support creeps higher, and also we see a kind of order book and order fulfilling on this chart. So order book data chart, what we do have here, and we see that finally orders are moving to the up. So this behavior describes a broad-scale weak hand to strong hand redistribution event. So what's happened? Strong hands bought up almost all the bitcoins from the weak hands. During the 2.5 months long period of consolidation, a great deal of supply was transferred by top buyers into exchanges for sale. This supply was then gradually soaked up higher conviction buyers, with the cost basis of these coins becoming more heavily weighted between in the 29,000 to 40,000 price range. Okay, explained by the on-chain analyst. Let's go and check our next news. Samson Mao leaves Blockstream, plans to focus on nation-state Bitcoin adoption. Okay, so today is my last day with Blockstream. It's been a grand adventure working with Adam for us for the last 5 years, and together we have accomplished a great deal, from sidechains to mining to satellites. So what's next? I plan to focus on nation-state Bitcoin adoption. So he's moving to El Salvador, and he will be the major of the blockchain, not blockchain, but Bitcoin city in El Salvador. Next piece of news is, here's what's next for Bitcoin after BTC rally past 40,000 according to crypto strategist. Okay, so analyst cred. At the moment, at least, we will derive from this monthly close is that support supported, resistance resisted, and the market still seems to be higher time frame range bound until proven otherwise. Yes, the resistance at 47,000 will be strong. One thing I will note that I will add this range high for 58,000 US dollar, highest close monthly level. The thing, the infer from that is that if the mid-range of 43,000 and 47,000 is broken, I don't think there is much in the way for a high time frame move towards 58,000. If we manage to get this market structure to reclaim, move above 47,000 and break up resistance, and that wouldn't be terribly unforeseeable given the markets rejected once, moved lower, rejected a second time, potentially made a higher low here. So this is the higher low. So maybe some evidence of relative strength starting to emerge, which is nice. So guys, this looking pretty good. Let's go and check our next news. Bitcoin data shows that Bitcoin top buyers capitulated and new bull rally is here. Bitcoin sell-off recently may suggest top buyers have already capitulated. This is the net realized profit and loss chart from Glassnode. Bitcoin net realized profit and loss. So what a trader realized. And yes, you see at the all-time high, everybody is in profit. But who is selling in loss? And first sell-off in loss, second and the third sell-off in loss. And actually after the first sell-off, all the sellers are just leaving the market and they are disappearing, and just hodlers and new buyers coming. BTC price, we see this nice run up to 44,000 US dollar levels. So top buyers capitulated already, so we can expect a fresh rally that already we witnessed in the past few days. Billionaire admits he was wrong about Bitcoin as Citadel looks to crypto markets. Company founder Ken Griffin has backtracked on his anti-crypto stance and wants his firm to offer digital assets to its clients this year. So what a turning point, guys. Let's quote. It is fair to assume that over the months to come, you will see us engage in making markets in cryptocurrencies. So this is huge. What the amount that they are managing, and I will be clear, if I've been in the naysayer camp over that period of time, but the crypto market today has a market capitalization of about 2 trillion US dollar in round numbers, which tells you that I haven't been right on this call. So to the extent that we are trying to help institutions and investors solve their portfolio allocation problems, we have to give serious consideration to being a market maker in crypto. So actually they want to serve their clients, and that is why they are engaging. Citadel's Securities announced its first outside investments worth 1.1 billion from two prominent crypto venture capital firm, Sequoia Capital and Paradigm. So already they invested and they are managing 22 billion. Okay, Citadel, which currently has around 38 billion in asset under management. So 38 billion asset under management. So this is huge. The billionaire investors did go on to tout the properties of Ether, however, opine that assets based on Ethereum will eventually replace Bitcoin. So also this is quite interesting. Next piece of news is Ethereum Beacon chain surpasses 300,000 validators, over 28 billion US dollar in Ether deposits logged. So this is huge, and this Ethereum 2.0 contract has over 9.6 million Ether deposited, worth more than 28 billion US dollars. So this is huge, and this is the preparation for that Ethereum is moving from proof of work to proof of stake. And also we got this rug laser that just happening, and then we can expect that somewhere the difficulty bomb or motivated transactions to post was delayed until June 2022. So we'll see if this June date will just stable, or they will delay with this. But this is good for now, that a big portion of the Ether circulating supply is logged in the Ethereum 2.0 contract. Next piece of news is United Arab Emirates property developer Damak to launch metaverse project in March, says managing director. So guys, Damak has built almost the entire Dubai, and Abu Dhabi. So this huge building, maybe the Burj Khalifa and all other malls and centers there. And now they are launching their own metaverse so they are looking into NFTs and metaverse. At Damak, we are looking into different ways to include NFTs and the metaverse. As you know, Damak is not only a multi-billion-dollar property developer, but also holds brands such as Roberto Cavalli, purchased in 2019. So while most use the term metaverse loosely, we think it is much more, and we have came up with a solution where we bridge the physical and the digital assets to allow for cross-utilization. So this is the main takeaway, that figuring out and working out a solution where to bridge the physical and digital assets to allow for cross-utilization. So this is the main use case. Guys, let's go and check my Twitter feed. You will find several nice tweets there. Definitely follow me at MIKLOSDenkler and also follow at Corion Platform. And redistribution of wealth and power. What's that? Bitcoin. Who orange pilled Powell? This is from Dennis Porter. Powell, the president of the Fed, says that possible to have more than one reserve currency. What would be the more than one? Chinese yuan, Russian ruble, euro, Bitcoin. So guys, share please your suggestion or what do you think about this, which will be the other reserve currency in the comment section of this video. Good news, the EU starts to understand the significance of Bitcoin. Lawmakers have removed the Bitcoin ban from latest version of EU's crypto legislation. Cool. Take the orange pill. Bitcoin is the orange chart and Nasdaq is the blue chart. And this is the double bottom that we already talked about. And also this is that Bitcoin accumulation is just starting. 6 months plus old coins takes 52% of the total circulating supply. And let's make this bigger. So you see the Bitcoin price movement, accumulation periods, distribution periods, and accumulation at the tops and distribution at the bottoms. And this is the UTXO age bands, so the age of the coins that not moving or more than 6 months old. Cool. Bitcoin is now the only global payment system that won't discriminate against anyone. So guys, please also like and share all these tweets. Really important, because then it will go on Twitter and also reaching others and doing some nice education with this. Cool. Guys, let's go and check what's happening here. If you are holding ERC20 version of CorionX, definitely come and provide liquidity on Uniswap and lock up your LPs to earn 330% APR. If you are holding Binance Smart Chain version of CorionX, go to app.corion.io and provide liquidity on PancakeSwap and earn up to 300 to 430% API. So nice juicy APIs. And don't forget that we are working on the NFT Launchpad that will brought to you by Laser Pangots. So guys, let's go and check what we see on the charts. Let's so Bitcoin is doing well. So Bitcoin is still in this resistance zone and trading really nicely around 44,000. And you see that after this huge downtrend, Bitcoin double bottomed and now reached this resistance. Now we face several resistance zones at 46, 47,000 and also in this region. But this is maybe the major resistance, and if we are looking into 1 hourly, that we see that Bitcoin is sidewaving, so you were able to make some nice shorts and longs here between the upper and lower trend line of the resistance. Actually, this triangle is not valid anymore, but let's maybe make this so I would look into if this is the kind of triangle or whatever, and if this ascending triangle will break to the upside, then it's always a bullish pattern. Cool. But actually this is also bullish wedge. So what about the Bitcoin shorts? Bitcoin shorts decreasing further, so good news. And Bitcoin dominance a little bit consolidating, but yesterday pumped to 44. What is Ethereum doing? Ethereum is doing well, also traded around 3,000, but is not there where Bitcoin is at these highs, but keeping and holding strongly around 2,900 and 3,000 US dollar levels. So for now, it's a pretty nice consolidation from Ethereum. So guys, let's check what Luna is doing. Luna was the most favorite coin in the past few days. So Luna is consolidating and looks pretty good, but haven't reached a new all-time high. So I think it just gaining some momentum, but this is not a bull flag. This is a kind of bear flag. So maybe, or yes, so this is a wedge, but there was a nice run-up, but actually this is a bear flag. Guys, smash those like, push the bell notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Let's go visit our farms, and please write in the comment section what is your price prediction for Bitcoin at the end of March. So guys, thank you for watching, thank you for listening, smashing those like, bye bye, see you tomorrow.